Big stretch. Make it wide. Over here. We're good.
Bitches is begging me to give a fuck. They're breaking up and making up shit. I had enough. I've been that nigga since cuffs in my jeans. Shorty, I ain't cuffing you, please get off me. I ain't stunting you, knees, you gon' have a problem. Get your ass snuffed, Charlotte Buff, I'm living lawless. Scrolling down my call list.
Up, big dog. Come on. Up.
I look amazing. That's 4. 4 fist bumps.
You really got hesitate. It's gonna be like a lot. Squeeze, right here, squeeze, and boom. Your mind right here the whole time. Right here. Pull it from here, come on. That's it, come on. Wide.
Niggas move at a different pace. I don't wait, I don't stay for nothing. I'm up in Holly creating something. You and your bitch debating something. That's about to be an amazing summer. Told Shorty don't say my number. Jump shots on filleting something. What you trying to get blazed or something? Lift it.
Nice. Let's go. Yep. Wide body. Stretch. Stretch. Nice.
Fight, man. Fight. We're gonna do another exercise because he has no triceps. He still has no chest. What does that mean?
Look. And I eat Waffle House every day, so.
It's not a good thing.
Down. Boom.
I used to eat Waffle House a lot too when I was young. I ain't gonna lie to you. That was back when I was slow.
That's the secret to the game.
No, it's not.
Waffle House.
He has small triceps, so we're gonna do some flat skull crushers, unilateral. We're gonna use the dumbbells, and we're gonna superset with flies. You got a YouTube channel? Yes, sir, man. Subscribe, man. Calisthenics Workout Complex. Right. I know it's a long word. I appreciate you, man.
Right. Yep.
So we're gonna do all 3. Up. So you hear me? I'm at bottom, mid, up.
And is that 1?
7.
Is that 1? Okay.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Nice and smooth. When you're done, skull crushers.
That's some baby weight.
It's not about the weight. Keep trying to tell you. And if you want to do pushes, I need to see flies. I want to see presses.
All right, let me step out more.
Flies. Better. Flies, not pushes.